Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that I'm sure a lot of us could use a little help with. Budgeting. Whether you're trying to save for a big goal, pay off debt, or just get a better grip on your finances, budgeting is the key to making it all happen. So, let's get into 5 tips for effective budgeting that will help you stay on track and take control of your money.
Welcome to today's episode of AI Legend, where we'll show you exactly how to start YouTube automation using the latest AI tools in 2025. Whether you're new to YouTube or looking to streamline your content creation, this step-by-step guide will help you produce high-quality videos faster and more efficiently. By the end of this, you'll know how to choose your niche, generate scripts, create visuals, record voiceovers, and upload everything to your YouTube channel. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. So now let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is choose your niche. For this video, we'll be focusing on finance as it has the highest RPM. Choosing a niche is important because it will help define your content, attract the right audience, and ultimately ensure profitability. Finance is a fantastic niche because topics like investing, budgeting, and financial planning are always in demand. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to move to the next step. Head over to ChatGPT to help you generate a script for your video. You can ask ChatGPT to create a script based on your chosen niche. For example, you might say, write a YouTube script about 5 tips for effective budgeting. ChatGPT will generate a well-structured script for your video, and you can tweak it if necessary to add your personal touch. Make sure your script is engaging by having a good hook at the start, interesting points in the middle, and a strong call to action at the end. Once your script is ready, it's time to focus on the visuals for your video. You'll be using Google FX Image Generator to create stunning visuals that match your content. First, you'll need to ask ChatGPT to generate 10 prompts related to your video. For example, generate 10 prompts for creating images for a finance YouTube video about budgeting. These prompts could include things like a person calculating expenses with a calculator and laptop, or an illustration of a piggy bank with money growing. Once you have your prompts, copy them into Google FX Image Generator, and the tool will create beautiful images based on your descriptions. You can tweak the settings for style and size to get the perfect visuals. With your visuals ready, it's time to add the voiceover. This is where CapCut's text-to-speech feature comes in handy. Copy your script and paste it into CapCut, then use the text-to-speech tool to turn your script into audio. CapCut offers a range of voices to choose from, so select one that fits your video's tone. Then hit this button to edit it further inside CapCut. Edit your video by aligning the voiceover with the visuals. As you can see here, the photos wouldn't always be sufficient to supply the entire voiceover. So what you want to do is to select the images, then copy and paste them until it reaches the end. But before doing that, add an animation to your images so when you duplicate them, they already have the animation set into them. Just a quick tip, you can add music on the background so it keeps the viewers engaged and not bored by the voiceover alone. Finally, head over to Effects and on the search bar type in Noise. This effect will put everything together as it gives off that empathetic and cinematic vibe, which your viewers need to keep them watching until the end of your videos. This applies to whatever niche you have as long as the approach is the same, which is narrative and suggestive. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, don't worry. ChatGPT can help you create a channel identity. Simply ask it for suggestions on your channel name, logo, banner, and description. For example, you could say, generate a YouTube channel name, logo idea, and banner description for a finance channel. With ChatGPT's help, you can easily create a strong brand identity for your channel. After that, you can use Canva to design your logo and banner. Canva also provides AI-powered tools to help you quickly generate professional logos and banners. Next up, you'll need a thumbnail for your video. The thumbnail is the first thing people see, so it needs to be eye-catching. Use Canva AI's image generator to create a custom thumbnail that fits your video's theme. Simply input your video's topic, for example, finance tips for beginners, and let Canva generate a unique image. Once everything is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Sign in to YouTube, go to your channel, and click the upload button. Select your video file and fill in the necessary details such as the title, description, and tags. Make sure your title is catchy and includes relevant keywords related to your niche. Upload your custom thumbnail, and here's the important part. Never set it to public right away. The reason behind this is that you want YouTube to have enough time to analyze your content and find the right audience to show your video. So what you want to do is to schedule it to premiere at least 24 hours after you've uploaded it. And there you have it. You've just created your first automated YouTube video using the latest AI tools. From selecting your niche to generating content, creating visuals, recording voiceovers, and uploading your video, you've learned how to streamline the entire process. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be the first to know once we upload our next episode. And as promised, if you want to access our free AI resources, just check out the pinned comment down below. Let us know what you think about this episode in the comments, and I'll see you on our next video.